Welcome to BKSS Academy. I hope you are doing great. Now we will discuss about an example of matrix multiplication. Suppose A1 is the matrix with order 20 into 30, A2 is the matrix with order 30 into 50, and A3 is the order with 50 into 10, and A4 is the order with the order 10 into 5. So number of ways of multiplication will be 1 by n, C 2n minus 1, n minus 1, that will be 1 by 4 because of 4 matrices are there. 2 into 3, C 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, so 1 by 4, C 6, 3, that will be 5. So in matrix chain multiplication we are always having two matrices, that is cost matrix and split matrix. So these 5 ways of multiplying 4 matrices may be like A1 into A2, its result will be multiplied with A3, its result will be multiplied with A4. This is the first case. Similarly, A2, A3 result will be multiplied with A1, then will be multiplied with A4. Similarly, A2, A3 will be multiplied, its result will be multiplied with A4, then it will be multiplied with A1. Similarly, A1, A2 will be multiplied and A3, A4 will be multiplied, both result will be multiplied then A3, A4 will be multiplied, its result will be multiplied with A2, its result will be multiplied with A1. To find out the optimum solution by above 5 example, order of matrix and multiplication is 20 is P0, 30 is P1, 50 is P2, 10 is equal to P3 and P4 is equal to 5. Formula for matrix chain multiplication is Mij is equal to minimum, a number is there which is in between I and j, that k is greater than equal to I and less than j. Minimum of ik plus m pi minus 1 into pk into pj. Suppose I and j are 1 and 2. Suppose I and j are 1 and 2. Pi minus 1, that is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, p0, pk, p1, pj is equal to p2. This is my answer. In this way we will solve a problem, that is, suppose a matrix is with A1 is equal to 5 cross 4, A2 is equal to 4 cross 2, A3 is equal to 4 cross 3, A3 is equal to 2 cross 3. So this is the cost matrix and this is the split matrix. First we will find out the every number row and column when it is same, that will be 0. We have to fill up it 0 0 0. Then we will fill 1 2, 1 and 2, 1 2. So m12 is equal to m011 according to this formula, m11 plus m22 plus p0 into p1, p0 into p1 into p2. m11 is equal to 0, this is 0, m22 is equal to 0, so these two are 0, plus p0 into p1 into p2, 5 into 4 into 2. This is the p0. We have to check p is equal to 5 4 2 3. From this 5 4 2 and 3, so 5 is equal to p0, p1 is equal to 4, p2 is equal to 2, p3 is equal to 3. These are the order of the matrix chain. Okay, so p0 is equal to 5, p1 is equal to 4, p2 is equal to 2. So from here 5 into 4 equal to 20 into 2 equal to 40. So 40 will be filled here. Similarly m23, 2 and 3, this is the box. So m22, m33, p1, p2, p3 as follows. for the formula. So its answer will be 24 as k is equal to 1. Here k is equal to 1, here k is equal to 2. As the formula is telling, for this I is less than equal to k less than j. If I is equal to 1, j is equal to 2, so k maximumly will be 1 less than greater than equal to 1. So this is the value. Suppose I is equal to 2, j is equal to 3. So I is equal to 2, j is equal to 3. So k definitely will be 2. This is the k is equal to 2. It is written here. So M23 will be M220, M330, and it will be 24. This is 24. So it is, this box is filled with 24. Okay, and k is filled 1. Here k is filled 1, and here k is filled 2. What is the value of k that will be filled here? This is the 2. Then M13, if I is less than equal to k less than j, I is equal to 1, j is equal to 3. So k value may be 2 or maybe 1, maybe 1 or maybe 2. So from those two, which will be less, that k will be constant. So we will check. When k is equal to 1, the result is coming 84 as per this formula. As per this formula. When k is equal to 2, the result is coming 70. So from 70 and 84, the minimum is 70. So we will keep 70 at here. 70 at here. We will keep 70 at here, and k value is 2. So we will keep 2 at the location 1, 3 of split matrix. This is the cost matrix, and cost matrix is used for number of multiplication, and this split matrix is used for parenthesization. So 70. So this box is telling that the total number of multiplication is required. Total number of multiplication will be 70. So for parenthesization, we will calculate the parenthesization. So there are 3 matrices, that is A1, A2 and A3. So A1, A2, A3 are the 3 matrices. 1 to 3 location, 1, 3 location, what will be the value? 1, 3 location. One 3 location, the value is 2. So A2 will be separated first. Then A1 and A2, then A1 will be separated. So A1 into A2, that will be multiplied with A3. That will be the parenthesization. Thank you.